Advocate Numalo wanted to address the court. I'm not sure if he still wishes to address the court when we adjourned.
Yeah, what about it?
Okay.
Daydreaming because I never wanted to address the court on
You
any
never wanted
aspect.
to?
No.
Yeah, I thought I was also
Okay, let's
getting
proceed.
old because I never heard you
proceed.
say it.
You were busy identifying that document in front of you.
That's correct, my lord.
Kulokhu busy manje ngisitshela ukuthi le phepha liphambi kwakho liyini uthi ufakazi yebo ke Nkosi enkantolo.
And then can you proceed to place the police station on record?
Executed at
No, no.
But you do not know what document is. The witness is only asked to identify the document before you. Yes, I do. What that document is. We don't know.
Okay, proceed.
Umzali Mnisi ke uthi ke Nkosi enkantolo kodwa ke asazi ukuthi manje le phepha leli likhuluma ngayo yini ngoba manje ufakazi uyabuza ukuthi ke manje lokho kuphethe kuyini kodwa asazi nathi ukuthi ke ukhuluma ngani.
Before the short adjournment, did you not identify that document as a warrant of arrest?
I did so, my lord.
Manje ngaphambi ukuthi ke mhlambe ke thathe ke i-break kancane ke awuzange uzokubeka enkantolo ukuthi le phepha lelo liphethe liyi-warrant of arrest na uthi yebo kunjani Nkosi enkantolo.
As the court pleases, my lord, the document is before court as Exhibit AA3. It was attached to the affidavit of the investigating officer, Brigadier Ginenda, dated 19 September 2022, in opposition to bail application by Mr. Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi. It is Annexure BNG2.
Uyabeka ke mshishisi ukuthi ke lelo phepha likhuluma ngalo ke lu annexure AA3 belihambisana ne-affidavit ke le eyenzwa uyena ke umphenyi wecala ke uMzana Gilinda ngale nkathi ke uMzana Ntanzi ke efaka ke isicelo sebeyili.
And then we can see the handing up of these documents on the 20th of March 2026 on page 5.
Futhi ke lama phepha ke afaka ngephase ka March ngo-2026 thola lapho ke ku-page 5.
Thank you. Now let us proceed now in identifying this document. Let's start there on top on the left. Police station.
The police station is Vosloorus, my lord.
I-police station ke evelayo ke lana ke ithi Vosloorus.
And then the case number.
Case number is 636 of 10/2014.
Inombolo yakhona ke u-63610 ka-2014.
Name.
Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Igama livelayo ke uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Address.
Address is unknown.
I-address ke ayaziwa.
Gender.
Gender is male.
Umuntu wesilisa.
Age.
Age is 30.
Iminyaka yakhe u-30.
Thank you. And then let's start where application is hereby made to the issue of
Application is here made for the issue of warrant for the arrest of Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Isicelo ke lesi senzwa ke ukuthi ke kukhishwe ke iphepha ke ligunyazo ukuthi ke ulona uBongani Ntanzi aboshwe.
on which charges?
On the charge of murder, armed robberies,
Cala lokubulala nokubamba inkunzi uhlomile.
And then let's start that being from information. Just underneath murder, where it's typed.
You are here by direct to arrest him and to bring him before a lower court at Boksburg Magistrate Court.
Yagunyazwa ukuthi ke umbophe ngentanzi umlethe futhi ke inkantolo yase Boksburg.
Let me just give you the section. Where we marked.
There being from information taken up upon oath, a reasonable suspicious that he or she committed the alleged offense on or about the 26th of day of October, year 2014, in the district of Vosloorus.
Futhi ke
I'm having a problem, my lord, as to why this information, which is contained in this warrant of arrest, is introduced through this witness. Really, honestly, I'm failing to understand because Sergeant Mokhane was here all along, Brigadier Gininda was here. Now that the state finds this opportune time to introduce this, it introduces through this witness, who was at Venheria, I suppose, on that day, who has nothing to do with investigations of this matter. Thank you.
umzana unquma lo ukuthi ke kwesenkantolo namanje ke engisazibuza ukuthi kahle kahle kungani ukuthi ke konke lokhu manje ke kuvezwe kulofakazi lo ke uSergeant Mokhane ube khona zonke lesikhathi noGininda bekhona ibona abantu ke bekumele uthambe ke balona babuze ke ngakho lokho ke ngoba yena nofakazi omela inkantolo namhlanje ke yena umuntu nje oyewezwa kuthiwa ube bengaseyena umuntu oyilungu labantu ke abaphenyayo kule licala leli.
Above that, it is also very unclear as to what information would the state want to siphon from this witness that will be of assistance to this court in respect of a document where that is before court that was apparently executed or that was made in the absence of this witness, because it's not even being indicated as to whether this witness, when this whole document that will be busy with, was part of its making or not. This is just a follow-up to the objection by Advocate Nima.
Nami ke ngiphinde ngibeke eshe ke umzana uMnisi ukuthi ke akuzwakali kahle hle ukuthi kahle kahle umbuso uzama ukuthola ini ke kulofakazi lo yipi ke ufakazi noma information ke abazama ukuthola ke ngoba ke manje ke lona amaphepha lawa ke enzwe nayo ufakazi lo engekho ngalenkathi ke ebhala lamaphepha kahle kahle umbuso ke yini lokho ke abafuna ukuthola kulofakazi.
Also, my God, on top of that, I don't think it is in dispute that there was a warrant of arrest that was executed in respect of this case. So to leave the evidence again and again and again, we'd end up with 200,000 pages of the record. Thank you.
Futhi ke nkosenkantolo ke angicabangi nokuthi ke kuyokwaba khona mhlawumbe ukuphikisana malana nokuthi ke ngempela iphepha ke ligunyaza ukuthi aboshwe ke kuyaphikisana ngakho lokho.
Yes, Mr. Baloi. I mean, Mr.
As a this, my lord, in light of what they've just said, that it's not in dispute that there was a warrant of arrest and it was executed, meaning it's no longer in dispute that accused number 2 was arrested, my lord. Because from the evidence, is that accused number 2 was never arrested on Vosloorus case 636 of 10/2014. So let's proceed, sir. At least we make
Manje ke
progress.
njengoba ke basho nabo ukuthi ke manje akuphikiswana ukuthi ke kuyokuphuma incwadi ke egunyaza ukuthi umsolo wesibili aboshwe ukuthi ngamagama futhi ke abaphikisi noma abaphikisi ukuthi ke nomsolo lo wesibili ke waboshwa ngalicala leli lase Vosloorus.
But was it disputed before that?
That is correct, my lord.
Is it?
That accused number 2 was arrested on this matter, yes. He said he was arrested on this Vosloorus case 636 of 10/2014 on the 16th of June 2020 in Pretoria North. So I'm trying to show to this court that he was only arrested on this matter on the 26th of October 2020, my lord.
Okay.
baye baphikisa ukuthi-ke nomsola-ke lo wesibili-ke waboshwa-ke mhla ka-16 June ngo-2020 ePretoria North-ke mina engikwenzayo ukuzama ukuthi ngikhombise inkantolo ukuthi-ke yebo yena waboshwa-ke ngalolo suku.
The state has just shot itself on the feet. The state says accused number 2 was arrested in respect of this case on the 26th of October 2020. Then if accused number 2 was arrested in respect of this case on 26th October 2014, 2020, what was the purpose of driving him to where he was working, taking him down to Carltonville, to Rustenburg to go and look for a hoodie? What was the purpose of that mission if he was not arrested in respect of this case?
Nkosenkantolo ngendlela engibona ngayo-ke umbuso-ke manje-ke usidubula-ke enyaweni ngoba-ke uma-ke umbuso uthi-ke umsola wesibili waboshwa kule cala leli-ke mhla ka-26 October ngo-2020-ke manje-ke bekuyini izathu sokuthi manje-ke bamthathe-ke bamise khona lapha e-Carltonville bamise futhi-ke nase-Rustenburg.
My lord, the evidence of the arresting officer, Sergeant Mokhane, is clear that when they first arrested the accused person on the 16th of June 2020, he was arrested on the Nongoma case 163 of 10/2018, and in this witness confirmed by that notice of rights, and then he was questioned, taken to Carltonville, and the evidence speaks for itself, my lord. But he was formally charged and arrested on Phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014 on the 26th of October on the strength of the J50 warrant of arrest.
Is that not being admitted?
But the admission came from Mr. Ngoma. It's not in dispute that it was executed, my lord. It only happened just when I'm busy with this witness.
I was talking on procedural matters. It's not in dispute that there was an application for a warrant of arrest. That is what I'm saying. So to repeat it back again, Brigadier Kininda told this court, we know that very well, that there was an application for a warrant of arrest which was made on the 23rd of October 2020. That is what Brigadier Kininda is saying. So to go back again on such matters through this witness, it's a waste of time, really.
Umbuso-ke naye yabona ukuthi uSergeant Mokhane-ke wabeka la nkantolo ukuthi-ke yena-ke umsola lo waboshwa mhla ka-16 June 2021 for icala leli lakwaNongoma-ke leli lase-Phosphorus-ke washajwa-ke formally-ke nge-26 zika-October-ke athuke unqumalo-ke kodwa nkosenkantolo-ke mina engakusho ngiye ngathi-ke asinayo inkinga ukuthi futhi asiphikisana ukuthi ngempela-ke incwadi-ke egunyaza ukuthi umsola wesibili aboshwe uyawakhipha-ke uGeninda uyawakutshela lokho ecourt ngale nkathi-ke thola ufakazi nge-23 zika-October ukuthi siphinde futhi sibuyele emuva futhi sibheke khona lapho futhi hayi mosha isikhathi.
So what do you want to show through the colonel?
That is
here?
fine, my lord. If the G50 is not in dispute, Kenneth, let me just borrow you my copy because I've highlighted these questions. Give me that one. Yeah. Where I've highlighted there, can you please that on record and then we can move on from this document? We have highlighted there in the middle of the page.
Executed at Valeria Subs by Sergeant Morano and constitutional right explained on 2020/10/2026 at
Thank you.
about 10 o'clock.
20/10/2026.
Yeah, 2020/10/2026.
Uyabeka-ke ufakazi ukuthi-ke lokhu-ke amaphepha la-ke akhishwa lapha eValeria uyena-ke uSergeant Mokhane-ke usuku kwi-26 zika-October ngo-2020.
Thank you. Can I have that document back? Just let's conclude on this aspect. Have you, in your 38 years career, ever executed a warrant of arrest?
I never executed a warrant of arrest in my career.
Manje-ke ekusebenzeni kwakho-ke 38 years yonke-ke usebenzile wena uke waphuma-ke mhlambe-ke wayobopha-ke lowo muntu ekhishele lelo gunya-ke incwadi yokuthi aboshwe ukuthi cha ngikaze ngakwenza lokho.
Does the section 14A in front of you, the Phosphorus case, also accord the explanation of rights in front of you? The date and time accords with the execution of this warrant?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo ke section 14 ke le eqala le phosphorus ke lesimangalo ke kuyi notice ama rights ke iyahambelana nayo ke le yaphepha leli ke lakhisha ligunyaza ukuthi komsola wesibili aboshwe.
Now, taking together Exhibit AAA 3, Annexure B and G2, as well as that notice of rights dated 26 October 2020, are you able to tell exactly when did the arrest of accused number 2 take place, when and where?
It was executed at Valeria on the 26th of the 10th month 2020 at about 10 o'clock.
Thank you.
Manje ke masubheka ke amaphepha lapha ngapha ke exhibit AAA nayo ke amalungelo kwakhe ke lawa ke anikeza ngo-26 October ngo-2020 ngakhona ukutshela ukuthi ke mhlambe ke umsola lo wesibili waboshwa nini futhi kuphi ke uthi ke lapha eValeria futhi ke usuku ku-26 October ngo-2020.
Now, let's go to the record now. We've concluded on that section of the evidence. Now, let's look at the proceedings of the 9th of February 2024 on page 67, paragraph 20. Mr. Ramosipil, if I may check, my lord, if I may be given few seconds to, sorry, I want to touch on this aspect. Now, evidence has been led to this court through OB entries from all police stations that you were held from Pretoria North, Maud, Valeria, and Primrose, and according to the entries, whenever you were booked in and out, last notation on the entry will be no visible injuries observed. Have you heard that evidence?
Manje ke masibheke ubufakazi ke obathula la enkantolo mhla ka 9 February ngo-2024 sithola lokhu ke ikhasi number 67 ke lapho ke umzana uRamsipili ke kuyena ke ukuze imibuzo ke uthi ke inkosi enkantolo uma nganikezwa ithuba nyana athi chacha ke inkosi enkantolo uma sibheka ke konke kuwabhala kuma OB ke ama police station lo wahanjiswa kuwona sikhuluma ngePretoria North sikhuluma ngeValeria sikhuluma futhi nangePrimrose ke konke lapho kulaba question kubhalwe phansi ukuthi ke akukho lokulimala ke uze unakho noma ubunakho ukubonakalana.
The record proceeds on page 68. And then on paragraph 2, page 68, proceedings of the 9th of February 2024, accused 2, yes, I had such evidence, my lord. And then paragraph 3, Mr. Ramosipile, now whenever you were booked, did the person booking you be it Mabena, Mohane, were they accompanied by a police officer in uniform, say for example at Pretoria North, who will make the notation on the book in your presence that you never had any visible injuries?
Wasephendula ke umsola wesibili wathi ke ngikuzwile lokho ngosenkantolo ngalenkathi kushiwe enkantolo waqhubeka umzana uRamsipili wathi ke manje ngalenkathi ke wena mhlambe ke soyiswa kulabo police station ke uMabhena naye ke eMohane ke bebanalo ke mhlambe iphoyisa eligqoke uniform ke elihamba nabo elizobhala ke konke ke encwadini.
Thank you, sir. And then the response from accused number 2, no, my lord.
Wasephendula wathi cha nkosi enkantolo umsola wesibili.
Are you following?
I'm following, my lord.
Yebo ke ngisalandela.
And then I've got the following questions. Does this accord with the South African Police Services standing orders?
No, it does not accord to the standing orders.
Saqhubeka nembuzo manje ke lokho konke akubekile ke kuyahambisana ke nemithetho nominigomo ke yala eNingizimu Afrika ke efuneka kusetshenzwe ngayo uthi ufakazi cha ukuhambisana.
Does it ever happen at Valeria?
It never happens in Valeria, my lord.
Kuke kwayenzeka manje lokhu ke eValeria na uthi ke ufakazi cha kaze nje kwenzeka lokho kunje eValeria.
Is it correct what is being said by accused number 2?
That's not correct, my lord.
Manje ke lokho kusho umsolo wesibili ke kuyiqiniso na tika ufakazi cha kusilona iqiniso lelo.
Now, let's stay with page 68 of the 9th of February 2024. Mr. Ramos Sipile, okay. There's also evidence that was led through OB entries that cell visits were conducted on a regular basis according to the gentleman that testified here. The last time I forgot his name from then court Swanepoel. Mr. Ramos Sipile, okay, you can interpret, ma'am.
Masiqhubeke futhi ke lapho saselapho ku page 68 ngosuku 9 February ngo2024 ngalenkathi Mr. Ramusipela athi okay kulungile manje ke khona ubufakazi obukhona la ubusila inkantolo ke uma kuona incwadi lezama OB okhombisayo ukuthi ke ama cell ke lo vakashela ngathi zonke ngiyengakhohlwa ke naye umuntu lo ubesho lo kwathi inkosi inkantolo ikhuluma ngoPule
Swanepoel,
Swanepoel.
thank you. Do you know Colonel Swanepoel?
He was the station commander of Pretoria Moor.
Uyamazi ke yena ke umzane ke Swanepoel uthi yena station commander sase Pretoria Mort.
So now, let's do the following. Does this accord with the South African Police Services standing orders regarding hourly regular visits or cell visits?
That's correct, my lord.
Manje masiphiwa manje lokhu ke engishilo khona manje kuyahambisana ke ngendlela ke kusetshenziswa ngayo ke ngokuvakashela ke ama cell ke hora nohora uthi yebo kunjani.
So you're saying what Swanepoel said is correct regarding cell visits?
That's correct, my lord.
Manje uthini uthi lokho kusho Swanepoel ke bekuyiqiniso mayelana ke nodaba ke lama lokuvakashela emaseleni uthi yebo kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
Okay, Mr. Ramos Sipile continues. Swanepoel from Silverton, that according to the instructions, our leave cell visits are conducted to inspect prisoners and cells and cell conditions. Do you recall any of such cell visits being done on the cell that you were held in Pretoria North?
Umntana Ramusipila qhubeka ukuthi umntana Swanepoel ke waseSilverton ke mayelana ke nokuvakashela ama-cell nokuthi ama-cell asesimeni esinjani usakhumbula ukuthi ke kuye kwenziwa lokho lapha ePretoria North na.
Can you, Colonel, tell the court that do these standing orders, South African police orders, standing orders apply to all the police stations in South Africa?
It applies to all the police stations.
Manje ke Colonel ngicela ungitshele ke lemigomo ke esetshenziswayo ukuthi kufanele ukuthi njani ke isebenza kuwo wonke ama-police station akhona la eNingizimu Afrika na uthi ke Colonel yebo kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
Accused true. My lord, there were no cell visit. The only time where I was questioned if I had a complaint, I started seeing that in Rustenburg. I'll stop here.
Makaphendula ke umsola ukuthi umsola wesibili Nkosi enkantolo cha bewangavakashela ama-cell ke isikhathi owenza khona lokho nje phela ngakade ngilaphana mina ke eRustenburg.
Is it accurate that there are no cell visits at the cells in South Africa, be Valeria, Pretoria North, Mort?
It's not accurate, my lord.
Cha ke akusilo iqiniso ukuthi ke ama-cell awavakashelwa ke kuba ngawo ke ama-police station lawo eVilleria nePretoria North.
Can you tell the court what happened? What?
I don't know where the state is getting the supposition from that there's an allegation that there are no cell visits in South Africa. I don't know is he trying to, where does he get that from?
I thought I heard it from...
According to what Mr. Ntanzi said, from what he's reading, then Mr. Ntanzi says, I never had cell visitations at Valeria and the place that I mentioned there. I only started to have cell visitations at Rustenburg. But the state is asking this witness, is it correct that there are no cell visitations in South Africa?
Yes, Mr.
Which does not come from Mr. Ntanzi.
Yaba ke mnumzane Mnisi uthi ke Nkosi enkantolo ke angiqondi ukuthi ke umbuzo ke lo mbuzo lo usho ukuthini ngawamathi ke ama-cell ke awavakashela eNingizimu Afrika yonke ngoba ke ngokuya ngalokho umbuso akufundile khona manje ke umbuso ufunde ukuthi ke uNtanzi uthe ngale nkathi laphana ke eValeria ke azange kube khona ke ukuvakashela kwama-cell kodwa ngale nkathi eseRustenburg ke kuye kwayenzeka lokho.
Can you tell the court what happened during the cell visits?
During the cell visit, the member who is visiting the cells, we will check if their constitutional right or all the constitutional rights are in position, and that they have been informed of the reason why they are in the cells. If they have any complaints relating to whatever might arise while they are in the cells, and if they are still all in order in those premises, my lord.
Manje ke khona ngasitshela ukuthi ke manje ke yini izathu ukuthi kube khona ke ukuvakashela amaseleni nawo uyachaza ufakazi ukuthi ke izathu ukuthi ke manje ke lo vakashela amaseli ke kufuneka abheke ukuthi ke konke kusesimene emaseleni lawo avakashelayo nokuthi ke lo muntu ongaphakathi konikeziwe amalungelo wakhe ama-rights nokuthi ke manje futhi ke utshele nokuthi ke kuyini izathu lapha emaseleni ke nokuthi futhi ke mhlambe ke yanazo ke izikhalazo.
Even at Hoshi Mampuru, I continue to read now. Even at Hoshi Mampuru, my lord, they do such. They come and ask if you have any complaint or you are sick. I have never seen such treatment at the police stations.
Uthi ke manje phezulu la eqhubeka phambili uthi ke ngosenkantolo ke naseKhoshi Mampuru ke bayakwenza lokho ukuthi ke beze bazobuza ukuthi ke konke sahamba ngesimo noma ke mhlambe yagula kodwa ke police station ke azange ngibone lokho kwenzeka.
What is your comment regarding the visits at the police
At the
stations?
police station, we are also asking them if there is any complaints from them that must bring to our attention.
Nasema police station ngosenkantolo ke siyahamba ke siyobabuza ukuthi ke mhlambe ke banazo ke izikhalazo ke banazo.
Is the statement accurate in light of the standing orders?
It's not in accordance, my lord.
Istatement esekasenzile ke asabisani ke ngendlela ke isipesa ke kusetshenzwa ngayo.
Okay, now let's proceed to the 8th of February 2024 on page 61. Paragraph number 11. Okay, let's start on paragraph 5 to give it a bit of context. Mr. Ramosipil, now, before that, let me cut it here and track back a bit. You are now booked at the police station. Did you notify any of the police officers, the cell master, anyone at that police station that you have just been assaulted by the people that brought you to that police station?
Masiphinde siqhubeke futhi ke lapha ke kulofakazi ke bathule enkantolo mhla ka-8 February ngo-2024 ikhasi ke ku-61 ke masiqala paragraph 5 ke ngale nkathi ke umnumzane Ramosipili ke kuyena ke ubuza imibuzo uthi ke uRamosipili ke masiphinde sibuyele emuva kancane ngale nkathi ke ufaka lapha emaseleni ke lapha police station ke uye wazama mhlawumbe ukukhume naye ucell master ke umtshela ukuthi wena ushayiwe noma ke ulinyazwe lamaphoyisa la akulethile khona lapho na.
Accused number 2, my lord, the police stations do not function the same or do not do the same things.
Makaphendula ukuthi ke ngosenkantolo ama-police station ke awasebenzi ngokufana noma ke awenzi izinto ke ezifanayo.
There in at Pretoria North, no one ever came to me, my lord, because where you are being taken to the cell, the key is held by the very same person that you are with. Who am I going to report to?
Ngoba lapha ePretoria North ke ilona ke ufaka mafaka eseleni ke isikhiya sibanjwa uyena lo muntu lo onawe ke uzoreporta kubani mase kunjalo.
And he is the one who is showing you what to take or where to go, and there is no one who is from the police station.
Futhi ke lena lo muntu uyena okutshela uthathe yini nokuthi uye kuphi akekho umuntu ke uphuma lapha police station ke osebenzisana naye.
And there is no one that I can report to.
Futhi ke akekho umuntu ke engakhalaza kuyena.
Because of what will happen, my lord, will arrive at the police station. Mohane will go in. I will remain behind with my banner. He will then come back. He will open for me.
Ngoba ke ngendlela bekwenzakala ngakhona ke masifike police station ke umuhane uyena umuntu bezongena ngaphakathi mina ke bese ngiyasala ke nomabhena ke bese yabuya ke ezosilana.
In light of the standing orders, does this happen at the police station, in any police station in South Africa?
It doesn't happen, my lord.
Cha ke ngokuya ke ngendlela osetshenziswa ngako ke asindlela esiqhuba ngayo leyo oshilo.
And the procedure that is stipulated binds each and every cell complex manager in the South African police.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo-ke indlela ekusetshenzwa ngayo-ke ibopha wonke-ke umuntu-ke oyi-cell complex manager la eNingizimu Afrika.
And then is it your evidence as well that the key to the cell is kept by the cell complex manager?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo futhi ngiyasho nami ukuthi-ke izikhiya-ke zalapha eselini-ke zigcina uyena-ke u-cell complex manager.
Is it your evidence as well that the person that allocates a cell to a detainee is a cell complex manager?
That's correct, my lord.
Futhi-ke ufakazi bami ukuthi-ke umuntu-ke othola-ke noma-ke okhombisa-ke iseli-ke umuntu oboshiwe ngafaka kuyona uyena futhi-ke u-cell complex manager.
And is it also correct that any complaint, any injuries can be reported to the cell complex manager?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo futhi-ke ngiyavuma ukuthi-ke uma ngabe khona isikhalazo-ke nokulimala-ke mhlawumbe kumuntu oboshiwe nako lokho-ke ngakubika-ke kuyena-ke u-cell complex manager.
Is it also correct that the detaining officers, now the investigating team, are accompanied to the cell by the cell complex manager?
That's correct, my lord.
Futhi-ke iqiniso ukuthi-ke amaphenyi becala-ke uma-ke baya emaseleni-ke baphelezelwa-ke uyena futhi-ke u-cell complex manager.
Just for the sake of completeness, let's look at what is said on the 12th of February 2026. On page 37, Mr. Ramosipile. Okay, what happened there? Accused number 2, the car was parked. Mohane went inside. He came back with keys. He looked for a cell for me, and then I was taken to a cell.
Masiqhubeke futhi sibheke-ke ufakazi obathula-ke mhla ka-12 February ngo-2026 page number 37. Umzwane Ramosipile ukuthi manje kwasekwenzakalani-ke waphendula wathi-ke imoto ibipake ngaphandle uMohane-ke wasehamba-ke eya ngaphakathi wasebuya ngekhiya futhi-ke kuyena futhi umuntu owafuna-ke isel lengizogcina kuyona.
Does it accord with the South African Police Service standing orders?
No, my lord.
Cha lokhu-ke sokubekiwe akuhambisani-ke ngendlela okusetshenzwa ngayo ukubekiwe la eNingizimu Afrika.
Thank you. Now let's move to a different aspect. Now I want us to look back now at the SAP 14, the cell registers.
Sengifuna ukuthi-ke manje-ke siyibheke manje-ke u-SAP 14-ke lo kuwama-register-ke yasemaseleni.
I think I've placed the original in front of you. Can you identify that register? What is it?
That is SAPS 14.
Ngasitshela ukuthi manje-ke le register phambi kwakho-ke ibizwa ukuthi ufakazi-ke u-SAP 14.
And then I want us to look at, is it number 12?
Ngicela ukuthi sibheke number 12.
Bongani Ntanzi. You may have to witness with the register. on that page?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo ke ngikulona lelo khasi lelo.
Can you confirm the name of the detainee?
Bongani Ndanzi, that's the name.
Umuntu ke waboshwa ke noma wagcina kuthina ke uBongani Ntanzi.
And at what stage does a detained person's name get written on this register?
It was registered on the,
At what stage of the detention process?
stage. He was detained for possession of ammunition.
Okay. When,
Ube boshelwe ke ukutholakala ke nenhlamvu.
okay, let me ask this way. This register, when is it written? These names, when?
It was written on the 2020 stroke 07/02.
Ibhale ke ngo-2020/07/02.
Who writes on this register?
It will be the cell complex manager, my lord.
Manje ke ubani ubhalayo ke kuyo le register ke uthi ufakazi ke uzobhala yena ke cell complex manager.
Who provides this information to the cell complex manager?
It will be the suspect himself.
Manje ke ubani unikeza ke cell register manager ke konke lokho okubhalela phansi ukuthi kuzoba uyena nomsola ke omnikezayo.
And the cell complex manager will complete all these columns.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo ukuthi cell complex manager uyena uzogcwalisa yonke le ndawo ekumele ukuthi igcwaliswe.
And then during the completion of this register, are there any questions that are being put to the detained person?
They will be asking him if he has any injury or complaint.
Manje ke uma kubhalwa ke lapha phansi ke khona mhlambe ke imibuzo abuzwa yena ke lo muntu oboshiwe ke uthi ke yebo ke uzobuza ukuthi mhlambe ke khona lapha limele khona noma ke khona mhlambe isikhalazo anazo.
And if the detained person indicates that he does have a complaint or an injury, what happens?
It will be recorded in the register OB.
Manje ke uma ngabe ke lo muntu oboshiwe ke esho ukuthi yebo ngempela unazo isikhalazo futhi ke ulimele kwenzakalani ke uthi ke ufakazi ke kuzobhalwa phansi kuyona le ncwadi ukuthi ke unazo isikhalazo futhi ke ulimele.
And then if the situation dictates that he be taken for medical assistance, what happened?
Immediately, they will be directing the person who is bringing him to first take him to the hospital for medical assistance, my lord.
Manje uma ngabe ke mhlambe ke lo muntu ke umsola ke udinga ukubonana nodokotela ke ngalesikhathi lesokwenzakalani ke uthi ke ngaso isikhathi leso ke lo muntu omlethile ke uzotshela ukuthi ke amqale eqala amise kuphi esibhedlela.
And what documents are completed?
They will then write SAPS 70
Uzogcwalisa ke amaphepha ke abizwa ukuthi ke
and also
SAPS
book him out from our OB register that is out for medical treatment.
bese ke bayabhala incwadi zethu ukuthi ke lo muntu ukhishiwe kuphi ukuthi aye ke ubonana ke nodokotela.
Can you tell the court then, does the SAP 70 register have a serial number?
That's correct, my lord.
Tshela inkantolo ke ukuthi ke manje ke lo SAPS 70 register ke unayo ke serial number na uthi yebo kunjani.
Does it get registered in this SAP 14 register?
Yes, it is recorded in here if there was one issued, my lord.
Yebo uma ngabe vele ngempela ke kuye kwakhishwa ke serial number ke iyabhalwa ke nayo phansi.
Now, I want us to look at the first entry on this page, on 49. On column number 6, there is an entry there. Can you identify what is that entry, just to orientate myself?
First entry. Medical 6.1. Medical particulars or medical particulars the 6.1.
Okay.
And there is a serial number on 6.1. SAPS 7832577036.
Yebo ke masibheka lapho column ke u6.1 ke ukhuluma ke ngezonyango mhlawumbe zokudokotela kube khona futhi le serial number ke nayo inombolo evelayo ethi 83257736.
Is that the serial number for the SAP 70?
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo lo nombolo engibizile ke yona ke inombolo ke levela lapha ku SAPS 70.
Now, adjacent to the name of Bongani Ntanzi on 6.1, is there a serial number?
There is nothing, my lord.
Lapha ke phambi kwegama lakhe ke yena uBongani Ntanzi ke lapho ku 6.1 ke ikhona ke i serial number ke mhlambe khona lapho na uthi cha Nkosi enkantolo.
And then let's look at the date in which the detained person first came into the cells. You see the date there? On 5.1.
That's correct, my lord.
What is the date?
For it's the 2020-07/02, my lord.
Masibheke ke usuku ke lo muntu ke eyafika koqala lapho maselini ke idate yakhona ke ithini ibheke lapha ku 5.1 echaza ukuthi ke 2020-07/02 Nkosi enkantolo.
Thank you. Now let's move to column 8, SAP 22. Can you explain again once more what is SAP 22?
SAPS 22 is the prisoner's property, my lord.
Masiqhubekele phambili ke sibheka lapha ke column 8 ikhuluma ke ngo SAP 22. Ungachazela ukuthi ke manje SAP 22 ke ikhuluma ngani ke uyachaza ukuthi SAP 22 ke ukhuluma ke ngezinto zakhe ke umuntu oboshiwe.
What happens, let's say for example, one is detained at Pretoria North. A week later, the detained person is transferred to Brooklyn SAPS. What happens to the SAP 22?
He is taking the property with, my lord.
Masithi ke mhlambe ke nangu umuntu oboshiwe ke uye wagcina lapha ePretoria North. Emva kweviki yaphinde ke yasuswe ePretoria North ke yiswe eBrooklyn ke kwenzakalani ke ngezinto zakhe ke uyabe kufakaza ukuthi la into zakhe uhamba nazo.
So when he gets to Brooklyn, does the SAP 22 get registered in this document?
That's correct, my lord.
Manje ke uma ke seke fike eBrooklyn ke izinto zakhe nazo ziyabhalwa ke kule ncwadi yakhona lapha eBrooklyn na uthi yebo kunjani Nkosi enkantolo.
Is it your evidence before this court that when an SAP register is completed, it is co-signed by the detainee or the suspect as well?
That's correct, my lord.
Utsho njalo ukuthi ke manje ke mase kusayinwa phansi ke uyasayina ke lo boshiwe naye ke lo mgcina ngaphakathi na uthi yebo ke kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
And between the investigating team as well as the cell complex manager, who co-signs there?
He's the member who is receiving is the cell complex manager.
Phakathi kwemphenyo wecala ke nayo ke cell complex manager ke ubani osayinayo lapho ke bekuthi ke kusayina ke cell complex manager.
And then now on 8.3, next to the name of Bongani Ntanzi, before we get to that, you said there's also a serial number that is allocated to the SAP 22, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubeke ke uye wathi ke khona ke i-serial number ke ehamba ke nayo SAP 22 uthi yebo kunjalo.
So now, next to the name of Bongani Ntanzi, on the 2nd of July 2020, is there a serial number that indicates there is a SAP 22 personal property of the suspect that was booked?
That's correct, my lord.
Manje ke masesibheka lapha ke mhla ka2 July ngo2020 phambi kwegama lakhe Bongani Ntanzi ke ikhona i-serial number ke phambi kwegama lakhe ekhombisayo ukuthi ke bekhona izinto okungezakhe.
So the one that I was checking on is the right On the side of
8.2.
8.3.
Yes.
8.3, there's nothing, my lord.
akukho ke kuzinto zakhe ke ezagcina.
So what does this mean?
This means that there was no SAPS 22 issued to the suspect, my lord.
Nokuthi ke ayikho ke SAPS 22 eyanikezwa ke yena ke umsolo.
And then let's look at SAP 8.4, SAP 13. Is it also your evidence that when there's an SAP 13, it's also recorded in this register, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Manje ke ufakazi bakho uthi ke mangabe ke khona ke SAP 13 nayo ke le SAP 13 iyaregister kule iyabhala kule register la ukuthi yebo.
And is also your evidence that on paragraph 8.4, the SAP 13 number is recorded on this register, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Futhi ke nenombolo ke SAP 13 ke nayo ke iyabhala kuyona le ncwadi.
Now, you also testify that before the accused person is taken into the cells, the cell complex manager conducts a search, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Kunjalo ukuthi uyathula ufakazi wathi ngaphambi ukuthi umsola ke athathwe ayiswe khona emaseleni ke usel complex manager ke yamsesha qala na. Yebo kunjalo ngosenkantolo.
Has it ever occurred in your 38 years experience that an object is found inside the cell during the search or cell visit?
Yes, it happens during my cell visit.
Manje ke kuyenzakala ke kuminyaka yakho yonke le 28 kusebenzela isiphayiso ukuthi ke kutholakale ke kuthize ke emaseleni ke emntwini eboshiwe ukuthi yebo ngosenkantolo ke kuyenzakala lokho.
And then, what was the object that you recovered?
The object that we recovered were the cigarette.
Manje ke bekuyini ke into lezi enisifundile ke yasho ukuthi uthola igwayi.
And the recovery came after the cell complex manager has searched the detainee.
That's correct, madam.
Manje ke lokho nithole emva kokuthi ke cell complex manager ke sekamseshile ke yena ke isiboshwa leso ke uthi yebo ngosenkantolo.
Now, let us fast forward to the 7th of February 2021.
Mase siqhubekela phambili ke sibheke ke i7 ka February ngo2021.
Evidence before this court that a cell phone was recovered from accused number 2 by Sergeant Mohane as well as the late Sergeant Mabena. Do you follow?
That's correct, my lord.
Ufakazi ke ubathula ke la enkantolo ukuthi ke cell phone ke yatholakala ke umsola ke wesibili ithola ke uyana ke uSergeant Mohane nangasekho ke uSergeant Mabena.
And it was your evidence that that incident was never reported to you.
That's correct, my lord.
Futhi ke wena ke uye wathi la enkantolo ke wena awuzange uzwaziswe ngalokho futhi yebo ke kunjalo ngosenkantolo.
And can you tell the court when a search is conducted in the cell, does that happen in the presence of the cell complex manager?
It's the cell complex manager who is conducting that, together with the visiting officer if there's one.
Cell complex manager uyena ke obaseshaye ke mangabe mhlambe khona umunye mhlambe ke oyiphoyisa ovakashile ngalapho ke nawe yasiza mangabe khona ngalelo suku.
Then are you aware that a cell phone was recovered in this case? Cell phone that belongs to accused number 2?
I'm not aware, my lord.
Onalo ulwazi ukuthi ke kuye kwatholakala ke cell phone ngalosuku lelo kuyena ke umsolo wesibili uthi cha.
So now I am putting it to you that a Samsung J5 was recovered, which belongs to accused number 2.
Ngiyakubekela ke ukuthi ke ngalosuku lolo ke iSamsung J5 iyatholakala ke kuyona iSamsung yakhe ke msola wesibili.
I was not informed of that, my lord.
Nkosi enkantolo ke mina ngizange ke ngaziswe ngalokho.
Are you hearing it for the first time in court that the phone was recovered from accused number 2?
That's correct, my lord.
Ukuzwa kuqala la enkantolo namhlanje ukuthi ke ifoni ke yatholakala kumsola wesibili uthi yebo Nkosi enkantolo ke ngiyaqala ke ukuzwa namhlanje lokho.
Thank you. And then what is the purpose of sealing an exhibit into a forensic bag?
Manje ke yini ke isizathu ukuthi ke mhlambe ke manithola ufakazi obuthize ke nimfake ke phakathi kwezikhwama ke lezi esifaka ke into ezitholakele ke eziyohlolwa?
Is to make sure that it is not contaminated or been changed. That is the purpose why we are sealing the exhibit in the forensic bag.
Ukuthi ke manje sibone ukuthi ke mhlambe ke lento leyo ke yayishintshwa futhi ke yayenzwa ngendlela ke ingasiyona ngaphambili.
According to Sergeant Mohane, the exhibit was sealed and the following day it was taken to Middelburg for downloading by Warrant Officer Ndlovu. Are you aware of that?
I'm not aware of that.
Khona ufakazi ke lapho ke umfana ke esho ukuthi ke yona leyo phone ke yafaka phakathi kwesikhwama ke sophenyo yaseliswa ke usuku olandelayo ke Middelburg ke ehambiswa uNdlovu lapho ke iyo downloada khona unalo ulwazi walokho na uthi cha ngiyanalo ke lolo lwazi.
Are you aware that such evidence is very crucial in this case? What was discovered during the downloading process?
That is what I heard from this court.
Unalo ulwazi ukuthi ke manje lo ufakazi bonke ke lokho kubaluleke kangakanani la enkantolo ke ngikhuluma ngani ke ngakho konke lokho kwa downloada lapho kuleyo phone na uthi ke yebo ke into engizwa yona mina la ecourt.
Now, can you differentiate between an SAP-22 as well as an SAP-13?
Okay, SAPS 22 is the prisoner's property, and SAPS 13 is property that is required as an evidence in the court.
Manje ke ungakwazi mhlambe ke sinike ke incazelo ukuthi ke phakathi phambana phakathi kwe SAP-22 ne SAP-13 uthi ufakazi ke SAP-22 ke izinto ke zakhe kumuntu oboshiwe ke lagcinelwa zona SAP-13 ke izinto ke esetshenziswayo ke njengofakazi basecourt.
Now, from what you have heard now, from what I've just told you, that the cell phone downloads plays a very integral part in this matter. Can this cell phone that was recovered from accused number 2 be registered as prisoner's property or an exhibit in the SAP-13?
If there seems it fit for the purpose of evidence, it will be registered as an exhibit. If it's only for the purpose of suspects per se, it will be in the 22.
Manje ke kuloko engitshela khona ke ngakutshela ukuthi le cellphone ke kubaluleke kakhulu ke isiza kakhulu licala leli ke manje ke ngokuya ngawe ke ubona ukuthi mhlawumbe le cellphone ke bizorekhodwa kuphi ke uthi ngofakazi ke uma ngabe ke bona babone ukuthi ke bayosebenzisa ke njengofakazi basecourt ke izobhalwa ke ku SAP-13.
Thank you for that, Colonel. My Lord, I see it's 4 minutes before 1. Can we take the normal long adjournment? I'm about to conclude the cross-examination.
Okay.
Let's go.
Gentlemen, 2.